Welcome to Quick Learning. In this video, we will be discussing two transactions and their key uses in SAP PM module. These two transactions are IW31, that is maintenance order creation, and we will be discussing planning and execution of maintenance tasks, assignment of equipment function location, management of manpower and materials, and tracking of maintenance costs. In MB5B, this is stock on posting date. We will be discussing the stock quantity and value checking, month end or audit reconciliation, analyzing of material movements, and export of data for reporting. In this video, we will be focusing on understanding key functions of IW31 and MB5B. We will be learning practical uses with real SAP examples, and we will improve efficiency in maintenance and inventory control. Let's go to each single usage of these transactions in detail. Today we will discuss the transaction IW31 that is used to create maintenance orders. There are some key steps that are involved in order creation, which are equipment addition, operations and materials. For example, creation of corrective maintenance order for pump motor failure. When you enter all the required items, then maintenance order will be created using IW31 transaction. In order creation through IW31, one of the main tasks is the assignment of equipment and function location. An equipment is a physical asset that you maintain individually, while the function location in your plant is where maintenance activities occur. For example, equipment number 10045 is a feed water pump, and function location can be plant 01 pack line 2. It is important because it accurately measures maintenance history tracking, analyzing recurring issues, and cost allocation to specific assets or plant sections. So this is a use of IW31 transaction. Today we will discuss MB5B transaction, that is stock on posting date. It shows material stock and value on a specific posting date. Its main uses include month-end stock check, valuation for finance, and audit reconciliation. For example, you enter material type, plant and date, and in result it will show you the quantity and value of that particular material on opening date and closing date. In quick tips, use for month-end reconciliations, filter by material type or locations, and export that data to Excel for further analysis. One of the key uses of MB5B is month-end or year-end reconciliation. It is used to verify closing stock quantity and value at month or year-end for finance reconciliation. It ensures SAP stock is equal to GL stock value, accurate books before closing, and it ensures transparency in inventory valuation. For example, we have a plant 10030 of September 2025 is posting date, and material type is RM101. So total raw material value matches the financial records, that is 87,500. Why it matters? Because it ensures data integrity between stores and finance, supports audits and month-end closings. Another use of MB5B is audit and stock verification. It is used to confirm that stock recorded in SAP equals actual physical stock. Let's say auditors are checking inventory as on 31st December 2025. They use the transaction MB5B on plant 1000 for the posting date 31st of December. So in result, a detailed list of materials will be shown, like closing quantity, valuation in PKR, movements before the posting date. So it confirms accuracy of SAP stock records, identifies missing or extra stocks early, and strengthens audit readiness and transparency. Another use of MB5B is material movement analysis. Its purpose is to review and verify receipts, issuances and closing balance. For example, you want to review material movement of RM101 during September 2025. You will use T-code MB5B, and movement types of 101 and 261 will be checked. It will show that goods receipt was 1500, goods issuance was 250, and closing stock was 1250 kgs. In benefits, the excess consumption, slow moving stock and inventory control can be achieved precisely and efficiently using MB5B transaction. We will explore two powerful uses of MB5B transaction in SAP, that are historical stock tracking and data export for reporting. Both of these help users make better inventory and business decisions. The first use of MB5B is historical stock tracking. This function allows you to monitor how your stock levels have changed over time. For example, you can check the stock quantity of a specific material as of different dates, like at the end of August, September, or December. This helps you understand whether your material stock is increasing, decreasing, or staying consistent. As shown in the infographic, MB5B displays data such as plant material, posting date, and stock quantity. In this example, the stock of material 1000 was 1000 kg in August, increased to 1200 kg in September, and then slightly decreased later. This tracking helps identify trends, manage consumption patterns, and forecast future inventory needs. It's especially helpful for planners and auditors who want to compare stock data between different time periods. So this was the use of historical stock tracking. The second major use of MB5B is data export for reporting. After you view your stock data in MB5B, you can export it to Excel or other reporting tools for detailed analysis. For instance, you can export a list of materials with their quantities, plant codes, and valuation data, just like shown in this infographic. This helps you generate custom reports, perform trend analysis, and even share the data with finance or management teams for review. It's simple but powerful way to convert SAP data into actionable business insights. So to summarize, historical stock tracking helps you review how the stock changes over time. Data export for reporting allows you to use that data for analysis and decision making. Together, these features make MB5B an essential transaction for anyone involved in materials management or inventory control. So that's it about the two major uses of MB5B transaction. So in this video, we have covered two transactions. Number one was IW31 and the other one was MB5B. We have explained all the uses of these two transactions in very detail, and we have tried to maximize the learning exposure of these transactions. So that's it from today's video. For any questions related to this video, you can write in comments tab. Or if you want us to make video on any other topic of SAP, you can just write in comments tab. We have already shared videos on multiple SAP transactions like MB51, MD04, IW31, 32, IW38, CS03, MB5B, and a lot of other transactions like MIGO, which can help you in material management, in plant maintenance, and other SAP modules. So if you want us to make video on any other transaction, please just write in our comments tab, and we will try our best to make new video on that particular transaction as per your need. So that's it from today. Please like our video, subscribe to our channel, share this video, share this among your friends and other your communities who use SAP frequently in their business or work lives. Thank you so much.